Once you have logged into Clever, click on the Seesaw app. Once you're in Clever, make sure that your teacher's name appears on the right-hand side of the screen. If it doesn't, come over here to the gray box on the left-hand side and click your teacher's name. Once you see that your teacher's name is here, click on Activities. This will bring you to the area of Seesaw where you will see the activities that you need to complete that day. This one is called Welcome to First Grade. We can play the instructions to find out what we need to do.
Tap the Add Response button. Click the Photo button, smile, and take your picture. Use the Move button to place your picture into the blank space. Tap the check mark to submit your work.
Now that we know what we need to do, we're going to click the Add Response button. And along the way, if we forget what we need to do, we can always click the instructions and the play button again. Here's what we're going to do. Off to the left-hand side, you'll see a camera. It's below the microphone. So this camera button, we're going to push and photo, and then we can see ourselves. Once you have smiled, you'll see that there are 3 cameras on the screen. You can choose any one of them to take a picture. So with a nice big smile, you'll take your picture, and with the hand button down here at the bottom, you can move your picture around, and ta-da! We have our Welcome to First Grade picture. Over here at the top right-hand side, every time we want to submit an activity for our teacher to see, we're going to click the check mark. Awesome job, friends! I can't wait to see your smiling faces.